This video is one of a series on files, Aspera's content sharing and file transfer application. In this tutorial, we'll look at sending content in a digital package. There are two ways to send content using Aspera Files. The first is a typical send operation in which you address the package to one or more individuals or user groups. The second is to send a package to a file's dropbox. In this video, we'll look at the typical send operation. For sending to a file's Dropbox, have a look at the companion video. To start, let me highlight a key point about the difference between sending content and sharing content. When you send content in a digital package, Files creates a copy of the source materials to send to your recipients, just like attaching content to an email. The content you send or receive in a digital package is a copy of the source content, wherever that may reside. Once you send content, you cannot modify the copy you sent. After you send the copy, changes you make to the source content do not affect the copy. Similarly, any changes the recipient makes to the content you've sent does not change the source content. Sharing content, on the other hand, does not create a separate copy. Rather, when you share content with someone, you give them access to the exact same materials you have access to. If they make changes to content you've shared, that content is changed at the source. So keep this distinction in mind, and have a look at the tutorial on sharing content using files. To start creation of a typical digital package, you can click Send a Package in the top banner to open the New Package panel. Or you can right-click an item in the workspace and select Send to open the New Package panel. Or click the More Actions icon and select Send. These last two actions add that item to the package in the same operation. Or select multiple items and click Send in the blue banner. Once this form is open, you can attach content in several ways. You can drag files and folders from the workspace and drop them into the form. You can click the file or folder icons to browse for content. You can drag files and folders from the local desktop. And you can open a received or sent package and drag content into the form, whether or not you've previously downloaded that content. Note that you cannot drag an entire folder that's been shared with you to the new package form. Instead, you must open the folder and add the contents to the form, rather than adding the entire folder as one item. Now, fill out the rest of the new package form. Your recipient is typically a member of your workspace, though they can also be an external contact if your file's administrator has enabled this capability for your workspace. You can also send to everyone in the workspace by entering the workspace name. Give the package a name and enter any message for your recipients. Select the Encryption at Rest option if you need this content to be encrypted at the remote end. For more on encryption at rest, check out the Fastbacks video on this topic. When you are ready, click Send, and your digital package is on its way. Once you start the transfer, you can monitor it in the Transfers panel. Pause the transfer and resume it if necessary, and then click here to open the folder containing the transferred contents. Check the Files Overview video for more details on the transfer monitor. Now, let's look at the Packages view. Your inbox is a list of packages you've received. For each one, you can see who sent it, whether it came to you and perhaps to another recipient too as individual users, the number of items and the total size of the package, and of course, the date you received it. Click the row to open the package and view details. From here, you can see specific contents and navigate into package content just like in your home folder. Download the entire package, download a single item, or select and download several items. In the summary panel to the right, you can see a number of details about the transfer of this package, including the transfer rate and which of the recipients have downloaded content from the package, in full or in part. You also have the option to move content into your home folder without having to download it from the package first. Click the split pane icon to display both the package contents and your home folder content side by side, and simply drag the content from the package to the location you intend. Now return to your packages list by clicking here or here. You can right-click any row to download the entire package or to archive it and remove it from this list. Taking a quick look at your sent list, you'll see it's very similar to the inbox, with much of the same info and functionality. Here are your archived packages. Right-click to download or to unarchive, which returns this package to your inbox. And here are deleted packages. Each listing shows the person who deleted it, typically either the sender or the admin, or the policy under which the package expired and was therefore deleted. That's a quick look at sending and receiving digital packages using Aspera Files. For more information, see the Files Help Center, which contains the complete user documents along with the Files video tutorials. And thank you for your interest in Aspera products.